Hey, guys, I will show you the best 3D printers 2023 through extensive research and testing. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, whether it's price, performance, or particular use. We've got you covered. For more information, I have put links to the product in the description. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started with the video. Number 5, Creality Ender 3v2 Self-Developed Silent Motherboard. The Ender 3v2 built-in self-developed silent motherboard has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation. UL certified mean-well power supply, equipped with mean-well power supply, produced by the listed company with mature technology, meeting all the needs of fast heating and long-time printing. Moreover, the power supply is concealed in the machine, making it much safer. Effortless filament feed-in. Ender 3v2 adds a rotary knob on the extruder, making the loading and feeding filament process much easier. Carborundum glass platform, enable the hotbed heat up quicker and prints adhere better without warping. Ultra smoothness even on the first. Number 4. High-speed 3D resin printer. Anycubic Photon Mono 4K 3D printer is upgraded with 4K monochrome LCD with 35 XY pixels, which is one of the greatest accuracies in the 3D printing field. The 7% high light transmittance could absorb higher curing UV power for faster printing and curing speed, and the single-layer exposure and curing time is as low as 1.5 s. The printing speed can reach up to a maximum of 50 mm per hour, 2.5x faster than the original 2K printer, 4K high resolution and higher accuracy. This newly high-resolution 3840 by 2400 Mono 4. Number 3. Eligo Saturn S Faster Printing. Saturn S 3D printer comes with a 9.1-inch 4K HD monochrome LCD of 4098 by 2560 resolution, which shortens the printing time per layer to 2s/3s while restoring the vivid details of the original models. Low energy consumption and heat emission extend the lifespan of the mono LCD by 3 times. Larger build volume with a larger printing volume off 196 mm * 122 mm * 210 mm/7.71 in * 4.80 in * 8.26 in. You can print bigger complex structural parts, or multiple small 3D models at a time, which greatly increases your printing efficiency. Higher printing accuracy. The matrix light source of 54 UV LEDs emits optimal uniform light beam of 405 nanometers wavelength for rapid prototyping, ensuring a sleek and delicate surface of 3D printed model and a more accurate printing size. Super stable structure. The Z-axis adopts a double linear guideway shock absorption unit, with an accuracy of 0.00125 mm for more stable and accurate moving to reduce the risk of layer shifting. The build plate with sandblasted surface has a stronger adhesion, and the set screws on which have long-lasting leveling performance without frequent calibration. Pleasant printing experience. The replaceable activated carbon filter on the USB port can effectively absorb and filter the resin odor and pungent fumes, bringing you a refreshing printing experience. Number 2. Photon Mono X with a large printing volume of 192 mm x 120 mm x 245 mm/7.55 inches by 4.72 inches by 9.84 inches. You can print multiple models of the same size at one time, saving your time and improving your productivity. Anycubic Photon Mono X 3D printer comes with an 8.9-inch 4K monochrome LCD with an HD resolution of 3840 by 2400, 4x faster than Photon, and 3x faster than other resin 3D printers. Adopting a new upgrade. Number 1. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 300 degrees Celsius high temperature nozzle. The brand new nozzle made of brass can stand up to 300 degrees Celsius printing temperature, and it is compatible with multiple filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETG, and PA, providing more possibilities for creation. Spring Steel PEI Magnetic Build Plate. Ender 3S1 Pro has used the Spring Steel PEI Magnetic Build Plate, which has good adhesion to the printed model and enables fast heating up of the heat bed. The build plates is not only durable but also flexible. Once the printing completes, users can remove the printed model effortlessly with just a slight bend. 4.3-inch touchscreen and LED light. The 4.3-inch touchscreen, supporting 9 languages, offers efficient UI interaction and is easy to use. It will dim out automatically for energy saving if there is no action for 3 minutes. The equipped LED light enables comprehensive light fill, with which users can observe the printing details even in a dark environment. Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Direct Extruder. The Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Direct Extruder with an extrusion force of 80 N ensures smooth feeding when printing with different filaments, especially the flexible TPU.